Pictorial representation, that is seeing something using pictures, will help us to instill whatever we have more deeply into our mind. So all of us like to listen to stories. So today we are going to do ascending order, that is from small to big, from bottom to top. We are going to do it by the narration of a story. So I have a very beautiful story for you to listen to that will help you to learn the ascending order better. Ascending order, that is from small to big. So, are you ready, children, to listen to this beautiful story? It is a story about two animals. So, let us see what are the two animals. Okay. If I give you an example, you will be able to tell me what animal it is. It is an animal that has a long tail and it uses its tail to jump from one tree to another. Yes, and we all like to see the tricks, the antics that this animal does. Yes, you have guessed it correctly. It is the monkey. So all of us like to see the monkey jump from one tree to another. Yes, so the story is about the monkey, and another animal is it opens its mouth and it swallows its prey, and it is found on water as well as on land. It has a huge body. Yes, it is the crocodile. So today we are going to listen to a story about these two animals. So the monkey and the crocodile. These two animals were very good friends, and the monkey is a bit cunning, but the crocodile is very simple and he forgets easily. He doesn't remember much. So these two animals were very good friends. So one day the monkey went to the crocodile's house, and there he seen 5 baskets of fruits there. So in one basket, in the first basket, he had a strawberry. So in one basket he had one strawberry. We all love to eat strawberries. Yeah, it is red in color. So the first basket had one strawberry, and then in the next basket it had 2 oranges. So can you see the 2 oranges in the basket, children? Yes, it had 2 oranges in the second basket. In the next basket it had 3 red juicy apples. So can you see the number of apples? Yeah, 1, 2 and 3. So the third basket had 3 red juicy apples. And then in the fourth basket there were 4 beautiful cherries. There were 4 beautiful rice red cherries in the fourth basket. And in the fifth basket they had 5 mangoes. So can we count the number of mangoes? Yeah, so it had 5 mangoes. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 mangoes. So in the first basket, what did it have? Yeah, in the first basket it had 1 strawberry. In the second basket there were 2 oranges. In the third basket there were 3 red juicy apples. In the fourth basket there were 4 cherries, and in the fifth basket there were 5 mangoes. So the monkey was looking at these baskets and he wanted to eat these fruits. So he was wondering how to ask the crocodile. The crocodile will not give him all these fruits. So he thought he will start with the smallest. So which basket has the smallest number? So he seen the first basket had 1 strawberry. So he thought, if I ask the crocodile for the smallest basket which has the smallest number, he will give it to me, and the next time he will forget. As I told you already, the crocodile is very forgetful. He doesn't remember what happens the next time when you ask him. So the monkey told the crocodile, okay, you give me the basket with the less number of fruits, the least number of fruits. So the crocodile gave him the one with the 1 strawberry. So he is given him the one with the strawberry. So the number is 1. It had only 1. So you can see he took the basket with 1 strawberry. The monkey took the basket and he went home. And then he came back after some time, and again he seen the fruits, and he told the crocodile, 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 you are my friend. So please give me a basket of fruits. The crocodile forgot that he had already given him 1 basket with 1 strawberry in it. So he told the monkey, no, I am not going to give you. So the monkey told him, okay, fine, you give me the basket with the smallest number of fruits. So the crocodile thought, and then he said, okay, and he took the basket which had 2 oranges in it, and he gave it to the monkey, to his friend. So he gave him the one with 2. So there were only 2 oranges, so the monkey gave him the basket with the smallest number. So the monkey, he was not very happy, but he knew that the crocodile will forget what he has given. So he took the basket and he went. Then he came back the next day and he seen 3 baskets which had 3 apples. So this basket had 3 apples. Then the 4th basket had 4 cherries, and the other basket had 5 mangoes. So again he said, my friend, can you give me a basket of fruits? And as usual, the crocodile, he did not remember that he had already given him 2 baskets. The first one with strawberry and the second one with orange. He said, okay, fine, and he gave him. The monkey said, okay, you need not give me the basket which has a lot of fruits. You give me the basket which has the smallest number of fruits. So the crocodile took the basket which had 3 apples. So the basket had 3 apples. He took that basket and he gave it to the monkey. He gave the 3 apples, the basket which had 3 apples, he gave it to the monkey. And the monkey was not very happy about it, but he knew he was surely going to get the largest number. So he took this basket which had 3 apples and he went from there. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3 apples. So he took the basket with the 3 apples and he went home. Then the next day again the monkey came back and he said, my friend, please give me a basket with fruits. So the crocodile gave him the basket which had 4 cherries. So this was the smallest number over there. So he gave him the one with the 4 cherries in it. So these are the 4 cherries, and the monkey took the cherries and went home. So can you see the 4 cherries, children? Yeah, so it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then the monkey came back again with his eyes fixed on the basket with the 5 mangoes. The monkey loves to eat mangoes. So he came back and he said, friend, please give me that basket with the mangoes. So the crocodile did not want to hurt his friend. So he said, okay, and he gave him the one with the 5 mangoes. So it has 5 mangoes in it. So we are going to count the number of mangoes. So this is 1. So we have 1, we have the second mango, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5 yellow juicy mangoes. So the monkey was finally succeeded in getting the largest number of fruits. So now we have arranged these in its ascending order, that is from the smallest number to the biggest number. So we have in the basket we have 1 strawberry, that is number 1. In the second basket we have 2 oranges, that is number 2. In the third basket we have 3 apples, number 3. In the fourth basket we have 4 cherries, which is number 4. And the fifth basket we have 5 mangoes, which is number 5. So finally the monkey was able to eat all the fruits that were there, and we have successfully arranged the numbers in its ascending order, that is from the small to big. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you understood the story and you liked the story as well. So now the monkey is very happy with its fruits, and the crocodile is happy that he has given its friend the monkey all what he wanted. So he always liked to share. So from this story we have learnt that we should always share, and we have also learnt ascending order.